Hi, it's Chris. Today I'm going to show you how to change the float in your dishwasher. A very easy repair for a very important part. Okay, to do our repair, we're just going to open the door, remove your lower rack, and with a 1/4-inch nut driver, just loosen the one screw that's retaining that cover and lift off the cover. This exposes the float. The float's removed simply by lifting it off. What it does is basically operate this little lever, and as your water level comes up or down, it tells the machine when to let water in and when to stop. So we simply set our new float on top, install our cover, the screw in place, and tighten it up. So this screw is just going into a piece of plastic as part of the tub. It's not holding anything that's heavy or it moves, so you just need to snug it up. You don't want to strip the screw out and create yourself more of a problem. Cover's back on. We just install the lower rack, close our door, and your repair is complete.